Hello! What is going on and what does it mean for you? What's going on is this. Look at this chart. In blue are the stock price movement since 2012 all the way to 2022, the past 10 years, right? So in blue, the stock market. In dark blue, the line are essentially the forward 12 months earnings per share. And what do you notice? You notice that there is a very strong connection, a very strong correlation, very tightly tied. Earnings per share and stock prices until 2020, when we have a bit of a dip, but the market kept going on, and eventually earnings per share followed. But look what is happening now. We have, obviously the stock market did great, till last year, and then it started to go down and down and down and down while the earnings per share was still going up. But now what we have is we are plateauing and we are starting to decrease. What do you think that means? It means that obviously we're going to be into a recession. That means that you're going to have less earnings per share. What's going to happen is this thing is going to follow with it. How deep of a recession? I don't know. Who knows? But be aware that there's a strong relationship between the two. So whenever I post a video about, oh, look, FactSet is saying that earnings are not doing that great, you got to wonder, right? You got to wonder how is our stocks going to perform. Now, again, I am talking about the market as a whole. I'm just not talking about one stock. But still, look at the relationship. Now, since 2020, you will notice that there was a bit of a gap here, right? Meaning that, maybe we had been overextended too much for quite some times. And then obviously we got corrected. Here, I don't know what's going to happen next, but obviously this thing is starting to come down. So there is no way this thing is going to go up. As you could see, there is no instances where the dark line and the blue line are going in opposite direction. Keep that in mind.